Hey, Lazarus, nice to meet you.
How you doing?
I hear you're the guy that has upped Zach's painting game.
That's correct.
He says you're the best of the best.
Yeah, we try.
All right, good. So what are we working on here? This is vanity from the bathroom?
The vanity for the primary bathroom. It came in a light color. The homeowners weren't very satisfied with the color and they wanted to change it, so we're gonna give them what they want.
Okay, and what is on here now? Is this the old
This
color?
is the primer.
This is the primer,
yeah,
the new color.
we primer, we tinted it to the color to give it a better backing for the top coat so we don't have to go so many coats over it to cover.
Gotcha. What are we using?
We're using a imported water-based product from Italy. It's a two-part process where we have to mix a catalyst to it. I made this sample here for you. This is what the finish is going to look like, and it's going to feel. It's
Holy smokes.
Very durable.
It feels like a 30 mil piece of plastic right here.
Yeah, it's going to bend and it's going to be impact resistant.
Why is it so bulletproof?
So since we're putting this in the bathroom, and we know that you like to use hairspray, so if you get a little hairspray on the finish, it's going to be durable. So the catalyst gives it a moisture and chemical resistance.
Gotcha.
So if we were to put a regular latex paint on this, your hairspray would damage the finish. You'd call me back.
Yeah.
I'd charge you.
Yeah,
You'd pay me.
exactly.
So we're going to do it once, and hopefully it'll last as long as we hope so.
I'm nowhere without my hairspray, so I need you, brother. Okay, so what is your process? Looks like we're gonna spray it, right?
Yeah, so the primer, I measured out my primer. I know how much I need for my top coat. It's all measured in here.
This is our top coat part of it, at least?
Correct.
All right.
That's the finish. I got to add my catalyst to it.
Yep.
And then I got to mix it, give it a little sweat time, and then I'm going to pour it into the cup. I'm going to hook this up, and we're going to spray it.
Beautiful. I'll let you get to it. I'll watch what you do, all right?
All right, thank you.
Awesome, thanks.
All right, we got the first coat on.
Looks pretty good, huh?
Yep, we're gonna let it set up. We're gonna do a wet on wet application, so within an hour, I'm gonna put another coat on this. So in the meantime, letting this set up, we're gonna go do the doors and spray those, and then go back to this, and then go back to the doors, and then Zach can come up here and install it.
Beautiful. I appreciate it. Thanks, man.
All right, thank you.
Take care.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.